Hello everyone, it's Özgün here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a drop similar to Anyma. His signature style is very unique, that's why he deserves its own dedicated video, and I decided to make a drop similar to his style. And if you're ready, let's get into that tutorial. Okay guys, we are starting by adding the drums, and for that, let's start with the kick. I'm gonna go for any sound for now. We will work on the MIDI first. We're gonna make a very groovy MIDI pattern. I think the bass lacks sub frequencies. That's why I'm gonna add a separate sub inside of the Serum. And now let's saturate it a little bit. Okay, now it's time to add some claps, some drums, this kind of sounds. Also, putting some reverb to the claps can help us to glue them together. also I'm cutting a little bit of low information so the hi-hats that we program doesn't clash with our low end. Now I'm searching for some steps that I can make fast rhythms just similar to the Anyma tracks. Perfect. Now I'm gonna write the main melody, like the main hook of the drop. It's gonna be also inside of the drop and also in the pre-drop part. So I like to automate some parameters in this main hook sound, main lead sound, so I can create some movement when I play it. It can be more interesting. So that's why I'm connecting the first macro to cut off, to release, to decay, that kind of parameters. So when I automate one knob, I can create a movement. Now I'm adding some ear candy to my drop to make it sound more rich. I'm gonna add the arp to my drop so I can introduce it at least in the 8 bar, in the 16 bar, something like that. And also I like to add the movement to my arp as well. That's why I'm trying to automate some more parameters to give the movement to my sound. This time I'm searching for some sweep white noise and I'm gonna put it to beginning of my drop. We should also filter the arp in so it can sound much more smoother. now I'm gonna record some reverse reverb tails by just routing the lead channel to the big reverb channel in my template. And I'm gonna record it through Edison, and then I'm gonna reverse it and just put back into my project. Also, I wonder what if I change the delay timing to 3. Okay guys, now I'm gonna end the video and now I'm gonna play the final result for you. Just a reminder, if you like to check the sounds that I'm using for making this drop, you can check the links in the description. Today that was it. I hope you can apply these tricks to your own productions as well. See you on the next video. Bye bye.